Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Lovey loads. So today I'm going to take you through my vanity fridge. So this is a fridge which has all my essentials, that is my skincare, my lip care, my toners, my mist, and I'm also going to explain to you why it is so important to have a vanity fridge, especially for someone who believes so much in skincare, lip, eye, makeup. So come, let's go through a tour of my vanity fridge today. Come. So this is where I keep my vanity fridge, and in my last video I did not really open this. I said I'm going to do a separate video for you guys. So today here it is, and this is where my fridge is. Yes. So let's go one by one. I'm going to show you every single thing that is there in this small treasure of mine. And first I like to talk about this tree of life that I've kept over here. This is mostly a very soothing, calming tree. They generally say that this is what signifies the whole concept of life. So this is the whole skincare, lip care, makeup and everything is very, very personal to me, and that is why I've kept this tree of life here right next to my vanity fridge. So first I'm going to take you through my skincare essentials that are there in the fridge. See, the thing is that நம்ம எப்போவுமே skincare is something which the life of the skincare is very important, and at the same time the potency of the ingredients is very important. So you keeping it in the fridge really helps in extending the life of these products, especially when you have active ingredients inside these skincare products. So I'm going to first show all my sheet masks. So every time I'm like super tired shooting in between crazy schedules, I have a bunch of sheet masks that I keep safe with me in this fridge. Nalla jillu jillu cool irukum. So idu open panni podumodhu what happens is all these masks adoda activity as well as adoda effect is much better. ஏன்னா நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல கூலிங் எஃபெக்ட்டும் கொடுக்கும், at the same time the immediate results you can see. So let me take you through all my sheet masks first. So first I have this hydrogel mask, another hydrogel mask which is a collagen poreless. Then I have this HYA poreless mask. This is very, very good for dewy and for plump skin. Then I have this Gluta poreless mask. This is the one which acts literally 5 times, and because I've kept it in the fridge, it will literally act 10 times. I mean, I'm joking, of course it doesn't work like that, but definitely the life is much better. There is this Kathy Doll smooth blur mask, which is amazing product. It's 100% plant fiber, and there are no chemicals in this. So these are all the sheet masks that I use like once in a week. This very, very cute sheet mask called the baby face from Kathy Doll. And then I have this Roju Kiss. Now, in the previous tutorials, this Roju Kiss is a Korean. These are all Korean products, and these are all available even in India. So Roju Kiss is a great Korean brand which gives you like amazing peptides, especially when it comes to hyaluronic acid. So this is the one which gives you that literal poreless ampule jelly mask effect. So these are all my sheet masks. இதோட பேக்கேஜிங்கே அவ்வளோ க்யூட்டாக இருக்குது, ஒரு மாதிரி பாட்டில் ஷேப்லேயே இருக்குது பேக்கேஜிங், and it's all like one time use and throw. So this is done. So next I'm also going to show you another very interesting mask. This is from Lulun and Yamanashi Nagono, and amazing product, guys. This is available on Amazon, and very soon I'm going to start sharing you my links also where you can go and order all these products. This is my personal favorite, honestly. So these are all the jelly masks that I wanted to show you, and நீங்க எல்லாரும் என்னோட வீடியோ பார்த்திருப்பீங்க where I have spoken about the benefits of rice mask. So this is a homemade rice mask that I have. இது once in 2 to 3 days நான் ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சிடுவேன். ஸோ நீங்கள் வீடியோவில் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க என்னோட அமேசிங் வைரல் கொரியன் சீப் அண்ட் எஃபெக்டிவ் ஃபேஸ் மாஸ்கோட வீடியோவில், வேர் யூ டேக் ரைஸ் வாட்டர், கூல் இட், மேக் இட் லைக் அ நைஸ் ஜெல் அண்ட் கீப் இட் இன் த ஃப்ரிட்ஜ். அண்ட் ஃப்ரிட்ஜில் வச்ச பிறகு ஐ மிக்ஸ் இட் வித் ஆலோவேரா ஜெல். ஸோ நீங்கள் வேணும்னா யூ கேன் டேக் எனி ஆலோவேரா ஜெல் விச் இஸ் அவைலபிள் இன் த மார்க்கெட். சிந்தட்டிக் ஃபார்மில் வேணும்னா யூ கேன் பை இட், இல்லைனா இஃப் யூ ஹாவ் அ நேச்சுரல் ஆலோவேரா பிளான்ட் அட் ஹோம், adu kudu use pannittu you can mix it and apply it on your face. Very very good. Literally it's like, you know, getting Botox and collagen infused into your face in a non-invasive way, obviously. So this is that particular product that I have over here. And next I'm also going to show you this very very interesting rollers and toolkits that I have. So let's begin with that. So first up is this Rose Quartz Gua Sha. I will share the link very soon so you guys can purchase it if you want. So basically this is a gua sha which is very very useful for doing like self facial massages. So this is that Rose Quartz Gua Sha that I have, and idu eppadi use pandratha na thaniya or video la ungalku kondu poren. And apart from this I also have this particular jade roller. So this is a jade stone, this is a Rose Quartz stone. So these are all very effective for like snatching your jawline, and this is the smaller part. So na idu full detail or video la ungalku kaamikren. So this is my very interesting tool that I have. Apart from this, there is also this particular eye roller that I purchased last time when I was in Bangkok, and honestly this is from a brand called Baby Bright. Very good product, extremely inexpensive, and it has this roller sorts over here, so you can just apply it under your eyes before you do your makeup or even as a night care routine. So these are some very essential eye tools. Now I'm also going to show you some very good serums that I've been using over the last 2-3 years, which have really helped my under eyes, especially in my night care routine. So first up I'm going to show you is this Sea Soul Azavita Intensive Lighting Eye Serum. Recently my makeup artist suggested this particular serum to me, and I've been using it, guys, and I'm telling you it is amazing, and it works very well for even dark skin people, fair skin people. So no matter what skin tone you are, the idea is to just brighten up your under eyes, right? So this will give you that effect, especially if you're like working long hours in front of the laptop or your phone. You're like, there's so much blue screen, blue light that's happening on your face. Very very good product. I will share the link. Now apart from this, these are all more of the high-end eye serums. So this is from Kiehl's. It's called the Midnight Recovery Concentrate. And then there is another interesting one which my dermatologist recommended to me. It's called the UI, which is very good for puffy eye bags. And then yeah, that's it. This is about my eye serums that I have. So next I'm also going to show you some of the face serums, and I'm also going to explain at the end of this video why it is so important to keep all of these items in the fridge. So first, the face serum. I think in my previous video I had spoken about this. This is a Cica Glow Concentrate Visible Whitening Elizabeth Arden. This is a new product that I have received recently, and still haven't started using it. In my next makeup tutorial video I'm going to talk about this, but I have been advised to keep this in the fridge. And then there is another very interesting one from Minimalist, that is a retinol 0.3%. So this is a very basic product which literally, like, I think today everybody is using it, and it's a very very viral product. So retinol really helps for anti-aging and for removing all the fine lines on your face. Then I have this very interesting vitamin C serum. It's from Skin Oxy, and this is just a one which has 15% vitamin C along with peptide complex. So keeping vitamin C serum in the fridge is also very important because it really helps in increasing the lifetime of these products. So this is that. And then I have this brightening pore serum from Innisfree, and I'll share the link. This is very very good for daily skin brightening. You can use it before makeup, you can use it just for your daily AM PM routine, however you want. And then I have this from Mario Badescu, which is a skincare drying lotion. So I have to talk about this product. In the product, eppadi apply pandradhuna, you have to take a bud and you have to go to the tip of it, because you can see there is a pink lotion here, and this is very effective for acne. So when you have active acne, just take a drop of it and apply it on your pimples, and trust me guys, overnight it just dries your skin. Light on the tingling sensation irkum because it's really working on your active acne, but very very effective product. And keeping this in the fridge is very important because it, again, as I said, it improves the longevity of the product. At the same time, the effect is great. After this, I also want to talk about some eye packs, which I should have spoken in the previous section, but I'm sorry I missed it. So these are collagen, eye patches. So every time you have like 10 minutes in between your work, you can just take each of these and put it under your eyes. You would have seen videos where there are a lot of people applying this. This is a very again a very inexpensive one. I got it from Bangkok. It's called the Snail Collagen Eye Mask, and it works really good. And of course, my all-time favorite, I have spoken about this cream in all my videos before, the Bobbi Brown Repair Eye Cream Intense. Why I keep this in the fridge is, especially every night, I have to apply this before I go to sleep. And when I apply it under my eyes after my entire skincare routine, it's so good because it gives you that cooling effect because of it being in the fridge. And trust me, morning you wake up like a newborn baby, literally. And last but not the least, in this section, I also have this particular Black Tea Youth Enhancing Cream, which is like a reset concentrate, again from Innisfree. I can share the link. Very good product, especially for people who are looking at firming, vitalizing, brightening, moisturizing, all of it in one. So when you don't want to layer your face with too many products, you can just go straight up with this one particular cream. But if you have active acne, active pimples, I would say avoid this because it might flare you up because it's kind of occlusive. So you can probably avoid it. So next in my skin, I also skin prep thing and skincare thing, I also have this, AHA BHA Salicylic Serum. This is from Glow Recipe. It's a strawberry flavor. Very good product for your night, sometimes especially when you want the whole salicylic combination with glycolic acid combination. Keeping it in the fridge really helps, guys, trust me, because heat and sun really tampers these products. So do not experiment keeping it out in the heat. And then there is this Water Burst. This is another dermatologist recommended one. This is just when you don't want too much moisture happening on your face and you just want like a little bit of cooling effect, but at the same time you want little moisture effect. This is a great product. So these are all my personal customized and given to me by my dermatologist, so they really work for me. Now next, I'm also going to talk about this very interesting vitamin C serum, which is from Cess Derma. It's the Revitalizing Gel Cream. So if you notice, I also spoke about this vitamin C. So what I do is I use this product whenever I'm not really doing makeup that day and I want to just like do nice AM routine. I use this so that it stays the whole day for me. But if I have like a 1 hour shoot or a 2 hour shoot, I use this particular vitamin C because I can just use one drop, gives me the effect on the entire face, and even if I wash it off later, I don't really feel bad. This is an expensive product, so I like for it to stay on my skin the whole day. So that's how I plan my entire AM and PM routine. Now next, I'm also going to talk about some toners and mists and why I love to keep them in the fridge. First of all, I will share this. Trust me guys, this is a hidden treasure. I don't know how many of y'all know about this, but this is one product which has helped me in so many situations in my life. Such a personal product to me. I'll tell you why. Because this is just normal thermal spring water. You might be wondering what is the whole hype all about. But every time I go out in the sun and I feel like my skin is getting red, or when I use too much of AHA, retinols, BHA, too much of makeup, there is always some sort of a side effect. Sometimes when you're going outside, another makeup artist who might not be a personal makeup artist might use just some sort of cream or some product that might just give you some allergies. Even sun exposure might give you allergies. No matter what kind of redness you have on your face, the safest product to spray on your face is this one. It's the spring water, and even after your makeup you can just spray it and it gives you such a cooling and such a nice effect. It just like brightens you up, at the same time reduces all the redness. So it's like a tonic for your skin, and I am going to share this link with you, all of you. Why did I save it and keep it for the end? Because I was waiting for this particular vanity tour to happen. Now, next I'm also going to show you these fixing sprays. This is basic Sephora fixing spray, and post makeup you can use this. I like to keep it in the fridge because I like to give me that cooling effect. But of course, when you're traveling, you can't really have a fridge all the time with you, so you can put it in your makeup pouch, but whenever possible, try to keep it in the fridge. I have to talk about this product. As you see, it is a brand new product because I've already finished one. This is my second, and this was suggested to me by my sister, and this is called the Grip Primer from Milk Hydro, and this is a pre-makeup base that you can use. Keeping it in the fridge again helps you really freshen up just before you're applying your makeup. Use it like a primer and just massage your face with it. Amazing. And then I have my toners. This is Hydrotonic Mist from Miso Aesthetic. Very good toner. Can be used as a mist, can be used as a toner. And then I have my another toner, which is again from Miso Aesthetic. I have my micellar water, which is useful for removing makeup. You can use any brand micellar water. Micellar water is very good when it comes to double cleaning your face. This is the one from Kiko, and I like to keep it in the fridge because it gives me that whole cooling effect. And that's about it, guys. So we have come to the end of it. Wait. I have something very interesting to show you all before we wrap up this video. So I am going to talk about, in middle of all of this, your eye care, your skin care, your makeup, your blah. In middle of all of this, do not forget to take care of your lips. So these are two very cute things I have got for lip care. So one is this coconut soft lip scrub, and this is again a Korean product. So you can just take it and like rub it on your lips. It really removes all the dead skin cells and exfoliates your face, your lips, sorry. And this is a one which I got from Sephora in Chennai, Tony Moly, and this is like a lip patch. I have used this one before and it was so cute. Maybe I'll do like a video where I apply it and I'll take a video and I'll show it to you. So yeah, so lip care is also very essential. And another thing is, if you have tinted lip balms or like skincare lip balms, you can take all of those also and put it inside your fridge because they are very effective. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is my treasure which has never been revealed before, and I wanted to share it with all of you all so that if it really helps you, I'll be very happy. So thank you so much, guys. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all. Take care. See you up till next time.